today we're going to be here at Universal's Islands of Adventure. Did you know that the POE right here stood for Point of Entry? That's what this area is technically called. Inside the rest area real quick because you can see the new VelociCoaster. Holy cow, would you look at that. Last time I was here, it did not look like this. That is the brand new VelociCoaster at Jurassic Park. They are working on it as we speak. I can see some of the construction workers over there. That's amazing. We're gonna take a closer look later on and see what all it looks like when we're in Jurassic Park. But first, hi everybody and welcome to the World of Micah. We're back at Islands of Adventure just to hang out and see what all is happening here. We're gonna ride some rides, we're gonna hang out. It's gonna be a good day. If you're new here, click that subscribe button. If you wanna support my channel, down below is a link. It'll take you to my Patreon page. Now, let's take a closer look. I think I'm gonna head into Marvel Superhero Island. I love the Incredible Hulk coaster. It's so awesome. Not too long ago, I did a video showcasing some secrets of Marvel Superhero Island. I'll put the link up above. You guys can check out that video. Seems like they're doing a little refurb here in front of the Amazing Adventures of Spider-Man, but I'm still gonna ride the ride. All right, wait time's only 15 minutes, so let's do it. Yeah, they're doing all kinds of enhancements here. That means we go through this area right now. I like going back here too, because you get to see some of these facades in the back. It's amazing. The details back here are so good. You don't really get to see this unless the park is, you know, stupid busy. It's not really busy today. It's just they're having us go in through the back here because they are doing the enhancements to the entrance. But there's a lot of details back here. Look at these gas pumps. That's supposed to be the ink from the Daily Bugle. There used to be a statue of Jonah Jameson. He's no longer here, but here's the cashier of the Daily Bugle and the dock. It's all themed so well back here. All right, about to go inside the actual queue of the attraction. It's been so long since I've been in here. All right, we're about to get on our vehicle here, the Scoop.
Hello, this is Jonah Jameson. Roger, over. Is this thing on? Listen, Scoop. Crime reports are coming in from all over the city. With Spider-Man nearby, trouble can't be far away. And you know what trouble means. Headlines! National coverage! So don't screw this up!
Oh, it's Spider-Man!
Doc on the loose. This could be the most dangerous night of my life.
No pun intended.
Be careful. Nice shades.
Oh, it's Stan Lee. There's Stan Lee.
Everything's going as planned.
There's the Statue of Liberty. Well, piece of the Statue of Liberty right there.
Spider-Man won't be able to
Forgot that's what they took. Oh man. Hobgoblin. Love the Hobgoblin. Oh man.
Intruder! If you think you're
Electro. That's
you're in for it. Yeah.
Scary. Even in 3D. Oh, there's the Lady Liberty's head. Oh yeah, Hydra Man, we're about to get real wet.
So much for being careful. Just get back to the Bugle and
Oh, that's so cold. Oh. Dr. Octopus.
Things like a starting to
Alright, I think my favorite's coming up. The Hobgoblin. With a pumpkin bomb.
Trick or treat. There might be time to throw you off the street. Spider-Man! You do run!
pumpkin bomb didn't work. That's crazy. Oh.
Hang on, I'm letting you down from here.
Oh, here we go. Oh no. Oh no. Oh. Woo.
Guess that wraps things up.
Yeah.
You guys did all right.
That was amazing. I love
Don't give up
this
your day
attraction.
yet. Say cheese.
That was so awesome. I haven't ridden the Amazing Adventures of Spider-Man in such a long time. I forget, that's one of my favorite rides. Currently in Toon Lagoon, not a soul in sight, honestly. It's kind of crazy. I guess everybody's run over to the wizarding world of Harry Potter. People are still riding Ripsaw Falls. Oh, that's so cool. It's a little chilly today for me to try and do this. Plus, you get soaking wet, like completely soaked. It's still a fun attraction, but man, you better bring a change of clothes. Let's see what's happening. Wow, look at that. I had no clue they had done this much construction on this coaster. This is gonna be so incredible, you guys. I'm so looking forward to this, and when these walls get removed and we can actually ride this coaster. Oh man, let's do the Raptor Encounter. Now, the last time I was here, this was not open, so I'm super excited to meet Blue. Oh my gosh, look at that. What in the world?
You're all alone?
Yeah.
What a coincidence. I'm all alone as well.
Oh, sorry, I'm actually married. Yeah. Oh, cool. We'll just be really good friends.
I know.
Ah! Oh my gosh. That's insane.
Wow. And it's on camera.
And it's on camera for everyone to see. All good, all good.
Distract him. Eat him.
No, don't eat me.
I said something terrible to him.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, I gave her a little shock. She actually really enjoys being in captivity, you guys.
That's
performing
awesome.
15 shows a day.
Wow.
Look, I'm a raptor. Look, I'm a raptor at SeaWorld.
Oh.
Have a great
Bye,
day.
Blue. See ya. Bye.
We're gonna talk about that later, Blue.
That was so amazing, so worth the wait. I had such a blast. That was awesome. And the Raptor expert was hilarious. Super nice, super worth the wait. That was so cool. Definitely check out the Raptor Encounter next time you're here. Even if the wait is long, like that was totally worth it. Man, I haven't been there since they've reopened it and relocated it. It used to be located legit, like right over here. That was where the Raptor Encounter used to be. The new coaster here in Jurassic Park, you guys can see a little bit. It's gonna be really cool. I see a lot of like Raptor containment stuff and lots of nods to the film. I'm gonna be so excited to ride that. Gotta see the Ford Explorer first. Man, it's one of those few movie cars that I love. I would love to ride in one of these. And I'm gonna see if we can get any more shots of this coaster from over here. So this is the back side of the Discovery Center, and you can see the track there and some more track over here. Look at that. We're gonna be completely upside down at that point. Oh my gosh. Wow. Now the Discovery Center is all blocked off. There's nothing more to really see except for the wall if you come back here. So just wanted to show you guys some more of the track. Oh man, I totally forget. You can see the backside of Hogwarts Castle from here. That's so awesome. Oh, let's go to Harry Potter, you guys. Let's go. They're doing some kind of wall construction over here next to Hogwarts Castle. Maybe they're enhancing the Jurassic Park stuff so you don't see so much of Harry Potter in this area. Because it is strange to see the Hogwarts Castle right past the Jurassic Park entrance. Man, this never gets old. That's for sure. I always like to come here on a cloudy day. It adds to the ambiance of this place. One other location for the Jurassic Park VelociCoaster that's coming. You guys can see the update right here. This is gonna be wild. Well, you can't really film on any of the attractions here, so I think that's it for Hogsmeade, but we'll be back because there's lots of holiday things we have to see. So we will be back very soon. All right, let's go and check out Seuss Landing. I showed the Christmas decorations not too long ago. You guys can see that video. It should be up above on the top of the screen right now if you missed out on that. Check it out. Hey, you know what? Let's ride the High in the Sky Seuss Trolley train ride. That's something I haven't done in quite some time. Check out this mechanism here in the center of the Seuss Trolley. This thing is crazy. Wow, oh yeah, this is awesome. You can see pretty much everything from up here. You get a good bird's eye view of a few sections of the park. Marvel Superhero Island, some Toon Lagoon. You can even see some of the Jurassic Park coaster here, and of course Seuss Landing. This is so cool. I forget how quick this ride is though. Like, it's not that long. I wish it kind of like, okay, here's my idea. Check this out. It's the Seuss Trolley, but theme another trolley to the Islands of Adventure trolley, and it takes you around all themed lands of Islands of Adventure. It's kind of like the People Mover, but I want to ride like that. That's not like a locomotive, but like this, the trolley in the sky that takes me all around the entire park. That would be so amazing. I mean, I'm pretty sure it could be done. We have People Mover technology, and it's something that could be like a monorail type thing. I think it would be very, you know, cool to have something like this because, you know, Busch Gardens has the Skyway buckets, while Disney World has the Tomorrowland Transit Authority or the People Mover, and then Universal could totally have the Islands of Adventure trolley that takes you around the entire park and shows you all the themed lands. I just think that would be so much fun. This area is definitely getting ready for the holidays though. Whew, I can't wait. Well, that was fun, Seuss Landing. Lots of fun. We'll be back. We did it. We did every single land in Islands of Adventure. This was a pretty fun day. We got to ride some attractions. We got to see some characters. I had fun. I hope you guys had fun too. But I think it's time to say goodbye. But if you enjoyed this adventure, please give me a thumbs up. The next time you're here at Islands of Adventure, tell them World of Micah sent you. See you guys on the next episode of World of Micah. Until then, stay weird. Goodbye.